Today once again I am going to start India position and extent of India, first one location and everything. In the first starting introduction of India I am going to start. In my previous video, that is already I have made some mistakes, so that's why once again I am repeating this one, so please watch and share it. Location is India is located within both northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Second one, it is situated in South Asia. Third, India extends from 8 degree to 4 to 37 degrees 6 north latitude and from 68 degree 7 to 97 degree 25 long east longitude. Fourth one, the southernmost point is the Indira Point, located in Nicobar Islands at 6 degree 45 north latitude. The northern tip where Jammu Kashmir comes, that is Indira Col we call. Next item is here. Indira Col is here. Tip of Jammu Kashmir is there. Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, our neighboring countries. Bay of Bengal, Indira Point, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. Those are all the items that I already show you in this map. Before this map, I made my video. There I have made mistakes because that is confused. So that's why I made now this one. So coming to the next aspect, that I once again I repeating you. Here is Indira Point. Here is Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. Then neighboring countries Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and most important point is Tropic of Cancer is here. So these are all the points which help you to see the map of India. So next point, I am come to here. India is located in which place I have to see you. Here South Asia, here is Asia. This is all Asia part where India is located here. This is a North Pacific Ocean. This is North Pacific Ocean, North Atlantic, North America, and Atlantic is there. So India is in the part of Asian countries. Okay. So this is the world map. In world map I showed you. Okay. Yes. Next one here comes to the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 north of equator. Latitude passes through the middle of India. 82.5 30 east is central meridian of India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. The Himalayan ranges from a natural frontier in North India between India and China, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Indian Ocean in the south, the Bay of Bengal in the east. So neighboring countries Afghanistan, Pakistan are in the north west, Nepal, Bhutan and China are in north, Bangladesh, Myanmar are in the east, Sri Lanka in the south east, and administration purpose India divided 29 states and 7 union territories. Telangana is a new state. Among the state, Rajasthan is the largest state, Goa is a smaller state. Once again coming to next point, that is Indira Col and Indira Point. Here 82.5 central meridian line is there. So please watch it. Where Jammu Kashmir comes, Indira Col is there. Then last point, Indira Point, is where Andaman Nicobar Islands comes. So this is the introduction of India, while giving me an opportunity to talk about a few words. If they have any mistakes, please pardon me and correct me. Thank you very much giving me. And one of the most important point I am going to telling about this one. Please share, subscribe, like it. And before going to tell about this one, whenever you are going to the examination hall, before read this, don't take paper, written paper. Read this points, all those comes even in your life. Whenever you are going to take a part in the competitive exams, it is very helpful to you. Thank you very much.